It's like, you know, when you're standing on the mountain now, and you're looking out on the horizon, and all you see is the sea, and all you see is the sky, and you figure, should I jump up now and join the birds in the sky, or should I jump down now and go into the ocean now? But I tell you, sometimes you just have to walk that, you just have to keep on walking, and like road running now, you just keep on walking along the air now, and sometimes now, you're going to feel the birds like trying to get you to go up now. You're going to feel the fish trying to come down now and join us now, and you will do whatever you want to do now. But sometimes you just keep on walking that old thin line where there's no sky and there's no rain, and all there is that it's in between the darkness and the light. But sometimes now I think that even in the whole wide world now, sometimes it's not even that. Sometimes all there is the preposition of two sentences. Who am I? And what do you want? Who are you? What do you want now? Now, if you, every questions now, they'll come back to those same two kind of questions now. Who are you? And what do you want? Let me ask you, who are you? Who are you, Rob? Who are you, Tim?
I'm not part of this.
What do you want now? Because I tell you what I want. I want pussy, I want money, I want power, I want an old man, I want an